Hello, and welcome to the Aperture Science Research Facility's Baking Department. You have been selected to conduct and produce the Test Subjects Prize for completing Test Chamber 19. A deliciously rich and moist, mouth-watering chocolate cake. For such obedience and hard work, you too will be rewarded with cake. I am required to inform you that any screams of pain or sounds of broken bones coming from other potential rooms are merely part of the test conditions. Please refrain from trying to open any doors or loose paneling. Now please, insert subject name here. Begin with the test. I mean task. In front of you should be a selection of ingredients. Listen closely to the ones I mention. Failure to do so will result in: for the cake, 250 grams of all-purpose flour, 380 grams of castor sugar, 90 grams of cocoa powder, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 2 teaspoons of bicarbonate powder, 2 eggs, 250 milliliters of milk, 125 milliliters of vegetable oil, 2 teaspoons vanilla extract, 250 milliliters of boiling water, melted butter for greasing. For the whipped cream, 250 milliliters double cream, 2 tablespoons icing sugar, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. For the chocolate coating, 250 grams of plain chocolate, 250 milliliters of double cream. For decorating, 300 grams of chocolate for curls, cherries. Recommended equipment: an electric mixer, a whisk, a grater, a medium pan, an 8-inch loose bottom cake tin, baking parchment paper. Let's begin. Preheat the oven to 170 Celsius or 340 Fahrenheit. Don't burn yourself. Generously grease the tin with the melted butter and line with baking parchment. Mix all of the dry ingredients with a beater in a bowl and begin to slowly add the liquids, leaving the water for last. Once mixed, pour the batter into your cake tin and put in the oven for 1 hour and 45 minutes to 2 hours. Check if the cake is ready by using a toothpick. Pierce the center of the cake, and the utensil will come out clean. If it is not ready, check every 5 to 10 minutes. Once baked, remove from the oven and cool for 30 minutes. Remove the tin and the parchment paper. Carefully cut the cake in half, not yourself, placing the top onto a plate and the bottom to the side. Begin to make the whipped cream by adding the ingredients into a clean mixer and whisk until thick enough to hold its shape. Once the cake is completely cool, put most of the whipped cream onto the cake and spread it evenly. Carefully flip the bottom of the cake and put it on top so the flattest part is now the top. Place the cake into the fridge during the next steps. Begin to grate the chocolate into small curls and keep to the side until needed. Now make the coating by adding the cream and chocolate to a pan on a really low heat. Mix until combined and place into a bowl and allow to cool slightly. Begin to whisk the coating until it thickens. Place the coating into the fridge for 15 minutes. And then whisk again until it's much firmer. Pour the coating onto the cake and gently spread it, making sure it covers the sides. Cover the cake with the chocolate curls completely. Fridge the cake for 5 minutes to firm up the coating. Place a small amount of cream on each serving and put a cherry on top. Congratulations, you have passed the Aperture Science Research Facility's baking test. Please make your way into the next room and claim your prize. Thank you, Subject 2853. Your cake is the best one yet. Too bad you won't get any. Thank you for watching, and don't forget subscribe for more videos like this. Please leave your suggestions for future videos in the comments. Goodbye.